The Toyota app can help you stay connected to your vehicle. This free mobile app enables drivers to enjoy their connected services, access real-time vehicle health information, and more. The Toyota app is available as a free download for both iPhone and Android devices. Be sure to check the iOS App Store or Google Play Store for mobile device compatibility. And of course, your Toyota vehicle must be compatible with connected services. Let's go over how to get started with the Toyota app. First, go to the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on your Android device and search Toyota to get the app. Once it's installed, open it and tap Register to create your Toyota owner's account. Of course, if you already have an account, simply log in instead to proceed to step 5. In fact, if your existing account already has your vehicle linked, you are all set and can proceed straight to your My Garage dashboard. Now punch in your personal identification information, then tap Sign Up to proceed. This will send an activation code to the email you provided. If you prefer, you can also sign in with select social network credentials. Get the activation code from your email, then enter it into the app and tap Verify Account. If you don't receive the email within 48 hours, tap Request New Code to send a new one. Now it's time to link your vehicle. If it's nearby, you can actually use the app to scan the VIN using your device's camera. Otherwise, just punch it in manually. Once that's complete, tap Add Vehicle. The app will now show your vehicle and allow you to create a nickname for it if you want. You can also confirm or choose a preferred dealer and review your vehicle's capabilities on this screen. If everything checks out, tap Continue. Now review the connected services trials available to you, then tap Continue to proceed. Please note that if you wish to waive your trials and features, you can tap No Thanks on any of these screens, but this will also deactivate your vehicle's Safety Connect functionality. Now review the connected service data handling requirements, then tap Agree and Continue if you accept. Same for the Service Connect communication. If you accept, tap Agree and Continue. And finally, review the Auto Insurance Designed for You agreement and tap Agree and Continue if you accept. If you have another vehicle to add to your account, tap Add New to return to step 5. Otherwise, just tap Finish Setup to complete the setup process. You're now all set and can view your personal My Garage dashboard. And if you ever need to remove or unlink your vehicle, simply tap My Garage and then Remove. That's all there is to getting set up with the Toyota app.